Today we are learning fruits. Fruits are healthy and yummy. Let's see them. Apple. This is an apple. Apple is red and crunchy. Banana. This is a banana. Banana is yellow and sweet.
Hi friends, welcome to my world. What a cute banana. Look at it. Yellow. We love playing.
Orange. This is an orange. Orange is juicy and tasty.
Wow, it's so cute.
Yes, it looks very happy.
Hey.
Mango. This is a mango. Mango is the king of fruits.
Wow, look at that mango.
It's glowing. So pretty. Hey, I got it.
Grapes. These are grapes. Grapes are small and juicy.
Mommy, look. The grapes are sparkling.
They are. What a beautiful bunch.
Can we pick some?
Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelon is big and refreshing.
Ready to see the inside?
Yes, I'll win.
Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is sweet and tangy.
Watch me dance. That's so funny.
Oh, look at that silly watermelon.
Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is red and yummy.
Oh, look at that cute strawberry.
Oh, lovely. Hi, strawberry. It's magical.
Blueberry. This is a blueberry. Blueberry is tiny and sweet. Cherry. This is a cherry. Cherry is small and shiny.
Oh, look at that. Clap with me, sweetie.
Papaya. This is a papaya. Papaya is soft and healthy.
Wow, look at all those seeds.
It's so cute and sparkly.
Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is green inside.
Hi, friends. Want to see my secret? Ta-da! My yummy green side. Whoa, so right.
Peach. This is a peach. Peach is soft and juicy.
Look at that cute peach, sweetie. Wow, it's so bouncy.
It's magical, isn't it?
Pear. This is a pear. Pear is sweet and crunchy.
Wow, a talking pear. So how cute, honey. Yeah, that's cool.
Guava. This is a guava. Guava has tiny seeds inside.
Mommy, look! A talking guava. Hello there.
You're so cute. Thank you.
This coconut. This is a coconut. Coconut has yummy water inside.
This is so relaxing, isn't it?
Yeah, look at the funny coconut.
It looks so happy.
Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit looks colorful.
Oh, it's glowing so brightly.
Wow, is it funny? Yes, amazing.
Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. It has many juicy seeds.
Look at that.
Wow, it's
So shiny.
Lemon. This is a lemon. Lemon tastes sour.
Look at that funny lemon.
Avocado. This is an avocado. Avocado is creamy and healthy.
Oh, look at that cute avocado. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, that was fun. Bye-bye, come back soon.
Fruits are healthy and delicious. Which fruit do you like the most? See you in the next fun video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye friends.